Hi, this is GK Reddy. Here I have a beautiful problem from geometry. In this, ABCD is a rectangle, E is the point of intersection of diagonals, G is any point on AC, F is a point in the interior of the rectangle. Moreover, the area of triangle ABF is given as 72 and area of triangle CFG is 12 more than the area of DEG. From this, we need to find out the area of rectangle ABCD. This is what the question is. To figure out this, let us take the same figure in another page. Here, have the same figure I have taken in the another page. To solve this problem, first I am going to take the point of intersection of AF and BD as some K. Here I am taking K. After this, I am joining EF. EF is joined. Now, I am going to take the area of DEG as some X. This portion I am taking as some X. So, from the given information, CFG triangle area is going to be 12 plus X. This area, CFG area is going to be 12 plus X. Okay. Now, the area of triangle EFG I am going to consider as some small a. I am taking A here. In the figure, if you observe, BE and ED are equal because E is the point of intersection of diagonals. Therefore, the area of BEF and DEF will be equal. Here I am writing that area of BEF is same as area of triangle DEF. Okay, both of them are equals to X plus A. Now I am taking the area of BKF as some P. This portion I am taking as some P. As it is given ABF area as 72, then the area of ABK is going to be 72 minus P. Here you can see in the question. Here ABF area is given as 72. From that I am taking 72 minus P. Now ABF area is totally 72. In that we have two parts, one is P and one is 72 minus P. This one I am rounding. Now we are going to find out the area of EFK. That is what I am writing here. EFK area is going to be BEF triangle area minus BKF triangle area, that is X plus A minus P, because here BEF area is X plus A, that I have given here, and BKF area is P. Therefore, EKF or EFK area is X plus A minus P. So let it be like this. Now, if you see the triangles AEF and CFE, they are equal in area. That is what I am writing here. What is that? Area of AEF is equals to area of CEF, because E is the midpoint of AC diagonal. Okay, that is same as 12 plus X plus A. Okay, because the area of triangle CFG is 12 plus X and the area of FEG is A. Now you have the area of AEF and CEF. From that I am going to find out the area of AEF. What is that? It is not AEF, I am going to find out AEK. AEK area is AEF area minus EKF triangle area, that is nothing but 12 plus x plus a, that is the area of AEF, minus area of EKF. Here EKF area you have, that is x plus a minus p, that you can see here. I am underlining x plus a minus p. From this, the area of AEK you are getting, that is what, 12 plus p. On simplification you will get. Now I am writing in the figure the value of AEK, that is 12 plus k. From this figure you can find out the value of AEB. Area, I am writing down here, area of AEB is nothing but 12 minus p, that is the area of ABK, plus area of AKE, that is 12 plus p. AKE, it is 12 plus p. PP gets cancelled, then you are going to get the area of AEB as some 84. Okay. From this AEB you can find out the area of total rectangle. Here if you see in the figure, AEB is 1/4 of the rectangle, because the diagonals divide the total rectangle into 4 triangles of equal area. Therefore you can find out the area of rectangle ABCD as a 4 times AEB triangle, that is 4 into 84, that is going to be 336. This is the area of rectangle, that is 336 unit square. That's it. This is what we need to find out from the given information. In the question is asking you to find out the value of area of rectangle. The area of rectangle you are getting as 336. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.